light soup.
Yeah, this is the light soup.
Is it peanut butter soup?
It's the light soup. So basically, eggplant.
Smells pretty yummy.
Oh, thank you. So I use lamb, okay?
Yeah.
I know you guys don't like the goat. The boys don't like it either. So I use the lamb.
Ready.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't take enough beef?
Oh, I should take another one.
Take another one.
Oh yeah, I'll come back for more.
Okay. Use your hands.
First
Why
one.
we teach her how to do it?
I feel like it'll be funnier if he doesn't, and then you can get the offensive.
This is what you do. You grab it and you do.
You
You go like grab. You go like.
You break it.
I feel like I didn't take it
For
good
the
enough.
first
It's really
time,
hot,
yeah.
right? So
I
you
know,
got to-
yeah.
My son's girlfriend is trying fufu for the first time. Yeah, it's hot.
It's really hot.
Oh.
And then you. And then so
Oh, that's yummy.
Is it yummy? Do you like it?
Yeah, I feel
It's
like
like
the,
a potato, like a mashed potato.
yeah, I feel like a lot of the flavor comes from the soup.
They're from
And
the
then-
soup.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
The fufu is plain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It's just the
The soup that
potato,
makes
the
it.
mashed potato.
That's yum. Yeah, it is really like a mashed potato.
Yeah, that's what it is with a little
With
bit
tapioca
of
starch?
Yes. Add a little bit to it just to get that stretchy feeling. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Oh
feel like
my god.
The soup's really yummy because it's got the really meaty flavor, but then it's also like the tiniest bit of spice.
Oh.
And then the tomato.
I didn't even ask you the level of your,
Mom, which bowl is
It's not
the
great.
spice level.
My spice
bowl is
level is
mine?
not great, but
Yeah.
this isn't too spicy.
Do you guys want water? Just get some water, please.
Oh no, this isn't bad. This is like
Oh.
pretty light.
Wait, Mom, do you know? Wait, which one's mine?
Hmm?
Which one's mine?
Any darling.
Okay.
Yeah, that's yum.
Do you like it?
I like it a lot.
Yeah, she likes it.
What's that? Look.
Yeah.
Yeah, it can be a bit heavy, especially eating it around this time.
Like summer.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, it can be a bit sort of heavy. At night time because it takes some time to digest. So please don't sleep.
Don't sleep yet.
You guys don't even sleep early anyway. So
I know. No, I also just feel like the light soup just has really, really lovely flavor.
we will try another soup next time. So this is your first time trying fufu.
It is.
Oh my god!
I had semolina and that was delicious.
Oh, you like?
Is it
Oh,
something in
okay.
the fish?
Okay.
Is it the fish?
That one will taste more plain because it doesn't have any soup.
Yeah, it almost tasted like a sourdough.
Yeah.
And then I had it with the tomato.
Oh,
And
yeah.
so it was like with
yeah.
fresh
Oh,
tomato
yeah,
and a
that
bit of
fresh-
onion.
oh,
It
yeah,
was like
yeah.
really yummy.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah. I also don't think I've had benku yet.
Okay, with the
You try
okra. You want to try with the okra?
Yeah, I would love to try.
Yeah.
It's good.
Next time we're gonna do that.
That's so yummy. That's really good.
Oh. There you go. She likes it. So straight to Ghana, okay? So she is coming to Ghana. She's a Ghanaian now. You know what I mean?
Honorary member.
Yeah. Good, isn't it?
Do I like it? Yeah. I
Wait.
like it with a little
This
bit
is one of the best ones that Mom has ever made.
of the lamb. Yeah.
Oh, so you add the lamb to
You
it.
can't chew it though. Here, this
Oh,
so long.
Boom.
She can do whatever she wants. Leave her alone.
Yeah, you take a couple bites of the lamb and then you do.
Yeah, yeah. Under normal circumstance, what you have to do is to eat the fufu and the soup alone.
Yeah, and then you don't have
Yeah,
like, and then the meat sort of.
traditionally, you can eat the two of them together. You can put the two of them together, but it's fine. Whatever you want to do is fine, as long as you are comfortable doing that. Do you swallow it or?
Yeah.
Yes, good.
Yeah. He's trained me.
Yeah.
You don't chew the.
Why be trained you? He doesn't even know what to do.
I chew the fufu and swallow the
I used to cut it
I don't know
small
why.
for them
Just
up
listen
to
to
about,
Vancouver
I think when
swallow
Aka was about 14 and he was
I
about
do the
12 years old, I used to cut it
It's like the same
small
thing,
for
right?
them.
Yeah, like
And then,
into little
yeah,
sort
I
of like
remember.
gnocchi bites.
Yeah, so they
Yeah.
can just pick it once and eat it. And my mom came here and was like, what the hell are you doing? Let them cut it into pieces by themselves. He's 14. He's a big boy. Stop that.
Yeah, like I've seen there like were videos on TikTok a while back of people trying fufu, but it was Nigerian.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
And so that because it's more of like a stew,
Ah,
they
yeah.
would like open up the fufu, and then they would like grab the stew,
The stew.
and make like a pocket.
I'll teach you that. Don't worry. So you put some
Wabby
of the sauce in the pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then Wabby was like, you don't need to do that with the light soup because it's so thin.
Yeah, because it's very light and yeah.
That's why they call it light soup.
Another one.
Guys, fufu is ready.
I hit the.
Aka fufu is
So what are
ready.
we
Where's Kobe?
He's playing Valorant, a game.
Tell
and
Kobe to stop the game and come and eat. now.
It's an online game, so you can't pause it.
Huh?
It's an online game, so you can't pause it.
Oh my god.
I like every time I take a piece and then like
Oh, I'm happy you
the
like
sauce goes in my fingers.
I really like it. I just feel like it's got like really yummy salty flavors, but then
Yeah.
it's just like the tomato. And did you say that was like eggplant?
Yes.
Oh.
Egg, so basically, eggplant, chili, tomatoes, onions, because you use the onion to steam the beef a little bit. Yeah, for a start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's
Yeah,
really
Aka is not a fan of this.
Really?
He liked the benkun more than.
Yeah, I'm
Wait, is
interested
that
to try
true?
the benku.
Yeah.
I thought he liked fufu more.
No.
Remember that day that we
No,
went
he's the
when we
big
went
pizza.
like which one
And
are we
then-
gonna eat?
Kobe is the fufu. You give Kobe 10 times a day, he's going to eat. YB is
He would eat 2 a day.
YB is white.
Mom,
YB doesn't like anything. YB is
That's crap.
that's me. I don't like anything.
That's chicken. You know what I
You
know.
like fufu?
Huh?
You like fufu?
he doesn't like anything, so we are not even going to talk about it. He hates everything.
Except for Milo and hamburger. No, cheeseburger.
Nana, come and eat your fufu, please.
Me?
Wait, look. You're let me see.
Or is it poisonous? He's checking if it's poisonous.
I see.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's so yummy with the lamb as well.
Oh, I'm happy you like it.
Wait, can I see?
I thought you were going, the chili, you were going to turn red. I'm like,
Oh no, the chili's not so bad.
It's not so bad.
No, it's actually like pretty
I'd
like
rather
light.
try-
oh, good, good.
I'm not really sure what my spice tolerance is because it really changes on a daily basis.
This one I was like, oh my god.
Today we ate. You know my spice
can smell
tolerance is
bushfire.
low when you eat
Oh,
KFC
Can you smell
and then you
the, like
Yeah,
bushfire?
Yeah, I smell it from the
The
back.
neighbors are going. Yeah, the neighbors are
That's
going.
right. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Behind
I
the
smelled it.
window.
I was outside and I smelled something. I'm like,
Me too.
looks like
It
beef
smelled
fry
like
from the back, yeah.
wait. I was about to say it smelled like something.
You and
No, do you know what it smells like?
you have
Mom,
this
Mom.
like this very nice fragrance. Is it your hair like a shampoo?
No, it's the Hilfiger that you got me.
Seppi also sort of have the same. Are you also using the from Hilfiger? You guys.
Yeah, we're both wearing it.
I am going to get one for myself.
It's really good. It's really good.
good.
It's really fresh. It's like a nice fresh.
Seppi, you also come and have it. You have tried it. Yes. Yes.
Why are you?
Yes.
Why is it flashing?
But actually, it's not fufu, it's fufu.
No, it's not.
Mom,
Kind of did. It's like,
Mom,
No, it's not,
You're
Ivy.
not going to.
Mom.
Ivy.
Is it fufu or fufu?
No, in a typical way, you're going to say fufu. That is the very typical Ghana language. But then,
Yeah.
when you are writing it in English, it's fufu. But my mom will go fufu in a very typical way.
I don't have my full
Yeah.
floor.
Auntie B, hey, why do you make it fufu? It's
Yeah.
a very typical, typical way of saying yeah.
Fufu.
So what are you guys doing?
Huh? This is the hand that I didn't eat with.
So said you are not eating the fufu or I don't know. Are you? It's alright.
It's poison.
Okay, look at them too. They are always doing this.
They always fight.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
They always.
Scrap.
They fight every time.
Yeah, literally.
Let's get that one done.
Yay! She's coming to Ghana. She knows the deal. She's coming. We are taking her to Ghana.
You're gonna have to teach me some street.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Wait, do you know any
You know anything?
I'm really bad.
Etisane?
Mm-hmm.
Etisane.
Then my water,
Contact.
which is apparently good morning.
I like the way
Or bringing morning.
she clean her hands and then put it back in.
Well, instead I go for the water, I'm like trying to make the
Yo,
cup.
is that like one hand from
This glasses is.
Oh, no.
And apparently you have to eat with your left hand.
No, you don't.
Yes, yes you do.
Saying that
Mom.
All right, guys, she likes it. I'm so happy she likes it. From now on,
You don't have to.
guess what? I'm going to give her fufu all the time with different types of soup. Okay, first time. Yeah, she's a Ghanaian now.
Who made this?
Bye. Who made the soup?
Yeah.